Sam Wilson here with Sam's Antique Motors. Today we're going to do a segment on removing the tailgate off this 72 Chevy Highlander. It's a fairly easy process. We really have a hinge carrier down here that has two 9/16 hex bolts. Same on the other side. We got the latch. It's got another two 9/16 hex bolts. And then the latch mechanism down here on each side has two 1/2-inch bolts. So what I'm going to do is raise the tailgate, take off the bottom bolts, leave the latch carrier on to the last thing, pull the two bolts holding the hinge carrier out, and then we should be able to just lift this tailgate right off and put it on a tripod that I've got over here to support it. I'm going to go ahead and do this in time lapse, and then we'll come back at the end to talk about the latch removal. Okay, we got the tailgate out. Got it on a tripod here, and so I'm going to go ahead and pull these three big round bolts here with the big Phillips screwdriver. It drops the latching mechanism out. It's going to be a little easier to get this latch out if we turn it over. Yep, there's a little catch in there. I have to get a pair of needle nose. So that pulls the latching mechanism out. Note there's a little anti-rattler. And this goes with the pin to the back of the car so that it latches properly. Same thing on this side. And the one on the passenger side goes to the one that's on the upper pin. The one that's on the driver's side goes to the top one. Passenger side goes to the bottom one on the deal. So, there you have it. One tailgate removed.
Download the Resto-Rat app today to begin managing, tracking, and documenting your restoration project.